Are you guys going to the open house extravaganza this weekend?
Of course we are. We wouldn't miss it.
First, we're going out on beautiful Clear Lake.
Hey, are you guys going to the open house extravaganza this weekend?
Absolutely.
Wouldn't miss it.
But first, we're going to taste some delicious Lake County wine. Cheers.
Hey, are you guys going to the open house extravaganza this weekend?
Heck yes, we are.
But first, we have to hike to the top of Mount Kanaka.
Lake County, a fantastic place to live. And this weekend, don't miss the open house extravaganza. Go to LakeCountyOpenHouses.com for times and addresses and find your dream home today. Lake County, we love it here.